swear East Coast people are so nice. The store clerk, once I told him that we were heading to a car meet, was like, I don't know, really cool guy. But yeah, welcome to our trip, our day trip, I guess, our whole day trip to Tail of the Dragon. So we're going to Classic Hunters of the Dragon 7, 2 + 5, and it is like 5:30 in the morning.
Yeah.
So we got about a 10-hour drive ahead of us. We're getting there. Well, we're invited to stay with one of my subscribers / friends on Instagram. Her name is Laura. She's part of the Del Sol community. She's been a huge supporter of mine, and she saw we were coming out, and she invited us to stay with them and a few other people at this Airbnb they got up on the mountain. So we're heading to North Carolina, which I think the Airbnb is probably like 10-15 minutes away from the Tail of the Dragon. It looks like on the map. I don't know. So I'm excited. I've never been on the East Coast before. I've been to Florida probably 4 or 5 times now, but that's about as East Coast as I've been. So we got, like I said, 10 hours. It's 5:34 in the morning. We're going to try and get there to be able to enjoy the night a little bit with the people, enjoy some festivities before we got to get up in the morning to go to the Dragon. So let's hit the road. Retro-themed Chick-fil-A. That's so cool. So that was not a 50s themed Chick-fil-A. That was a 50s themed Georgia diner with a Chick-fil-A in it. So we just had some lunch. We're like 3.5 hours outside of Marysville, I think is where we're going. So yeah, time to hit the road back again and keep on chugging along.
It's still a Chick-fil-A. It's like one of the original style Chick-fil-A.
She's yelling at you.
It's still Chick-fil-A. It's not a diner with Chick-fil-A, it's just Chick-fil-A.
Stupid head.
How much you rubbing there, bud? Oh, a little bit.
Well, just a little bit once in a while, you know.
Every couple of every bump or so.
Every little paint line in the road. Oh my god.
Yeah, we a little weighed
All
down.
fat. That's why.
Oof, fighting words. Trying to make our way through Georgia right now. We're like, I think downtown Atlanta. And yeah, we are, I don't know, any of you locals might recognize where we are. But yeah, 6 lanes wide, and you guys are still bumper to bumper. Get it figured out. Finally passed Atlanta? Yeah, Atlanta. So no wonder you guys in The Walking Dead all died, because the line of traffic. And it's been like every, I don't know, 15 minutes since Atlanta, and it took us forever to get past Atlanta. So now we are stopping off for a restroom break and a caffeine break again. And yeah, we're what, 2 hours out now by chance?
Yeah,
around
2
that?
hours.
Yeah.
2 miles.
So we should still have a little bit of daylight left. It's 4 o'clock, so yeah, we should still have a little bit of daylight. I'm anxious to meet everybody. Well, see everybody again and then meet some new people. And I'm ready to get out of this car and be in the Airbnb because it looks like a pretty sweet Airbnb. So yeah, I think I'm done filming B-roll. So we will see you guys at the Airbnb when we catch up with everybody. Made one last pit stop before our actual stop, and I just can't get over just how beautiful it is out here. Right now we're in North Carolina, so I don't know exactly where we are, but we're about 20-30 minutes away from our Airbnb. But Tracy from JDI just shot me a text. I guess they got reservations for a steakhouse, so they just invited us to join them, and it is about 50 minutes from where we are now, so I think that we are gonna go do that. And then yeah, I don't know who's all going, but it sounds like most of the guys are going there, and that is very bright. So yeah, waiting for a text back, make sure we're good, and I think we're gonna go there. So yeah, just unbelievable. It's so beautiful here, like especially like the rolling hills, like the rolling mountainscape or whatever with all the trees. Like I love Arizona, but can't get over that. It's just, and all the fall colors, you don't get that in Arizona. So absolutely gorgeous. You guys that live out here are so fortunate. Get out of here.
Fuck you, bitch. I'm retarded, Jeff Gordon.
Now it looks normal.
Does it though?
Like with the way you're walking now, the way you had it before, it looked like a claw.
That's gonna end up as a screenshot.
So we're meeting up with Jason and the guys at the restaurant like I mentioned in the last clip, and the camera just cannot do this road justice. This is part of the, I'm assuming part of the Dragon, I forget which pass it is, but just abso-freaking-lutely gorgeous. Trees covering the roads, like fall colors everywhere. Just beautiful.
Eyes on that.
That's not bad. That tastes really good, yeah, actually.
It's tasty, much like this burger is tasty right here. The one's dripping off every corner of my hands. Yeah, right? Yeah, it's like that. It's that kind of taste.
It's dripping.
Josh, what the fuck? Just take it down.
Josh, one bite at a time.
I can't scoop it.
It once was
Take it over this time. You gotta go. That was like pudding.
Buddy, you ever seen the movie?
So we just left dinner. I didn't really get to film anything other than a few clips at the table. Like I said, this is a kick-ass night. So we got all the JDI guys. So yeah, we got the whole JDI crew. We got us in the Civic. We got Mr. Honda Pro Jason again, himself. They got the Routacy out here. Yeah, except for this thing, you guys said you fixed the shifter setup. Now you're on BC coils and stuff too.
Yeah.
So
The handle's pretty good.
Yeah.
It's a hoot on the Dragon. It's
Yeah,
cool.
these guys are up here like 4 cars ahead ripping it. And of course we got Laura's beautiful Del Sol. And then to top it off, I actually got to meet one of my automotive YouTube hero guys. Eric, the freaking car guy, is actually here. And he's staying at the Airbnb with us, which is so sick to me. So yeah, we're just topping off. We just left the restaurant like I just said, and we're gonna call it a night, go hang out at the Airbnb. And I don't know, if fun stuff happens, I don't know, it's already late-ish, so we'll see how long all of us are up. But yeah, if we do stuff, I will be sure to film it, because it's been cool so far. It's a full house. You guys leaking something?
I smell it.
Yeah, I see some smoke too.
Where's it spraying?
It's right there.
Well, first Lucas blew the freaking radiator and then yours.
Hey, good news is though I have gas.
Very true.
Shit.
You know what that is?
Oh, that's a torch.
We didn't trust Tyler with that one.
I couldn't say it's blaming.
Welding or soldering?
A little bit of both.
It's brazing.
It's like heat and smear.
This is more
Honestly.
like brazing, isn't it? Plastic brazing. He's so burning. We're going to end up in the emergency room. He's going to have straw stuck to him.
What happened to you? You had a straw incident.
Sure you don't want to go get JB Weld?
Yeah, I do, but who's open?
Walmart? I don't know.
I want a radiator. I'd swap it out
Maybe.
happily tonight.
I don't know that gas station we were at. They were telling us to go.
Oh,
Does anybody have anything like that I can? Yeah, let me use that.
Hey, that's all you were missing.
That's all I need.
Was an applicator.
No, look at that.
Oh, that looks so much
You
better.
could just
Dude,
remount
your
all
welds look
other
so much
stuff.
more professional now.
That looks so much better.
Dimes.
what is that? So 11 p.m. radiator patch with some restaurant straws. I guess that's the way to do it. Alright guys, well it is now the day of the Tail of the Dragon, so this is going to end this segment of the video trip. Yeah, I'm going to film a completely separate video for that. I'm not sure of the style yet, but I just didn't want to drag this out to be one long video since I know I have a lot of footage of just the drive up and chit chatting. So unfortunately the JDI van, we tried testing it last night, it still sprung a little bit of a leak, so they're just playing it safe. So we just unloaded the stuff from here, put it in a bunch of the other cars. They already left. It is 7 in the morning, or yeah, about 7, so they left about 30 minutes ago. Got an hour and a half drive to the meeting location, so we don't have to be there early like they do since we're not vendors, we're just hanging out. So we are just gonna go get some breakfast, go rinse the Civic off because it's a little dirty, and meet everybody else there. So thank you guys for hanging out with me if you made it this far. Let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, anyways guys, do what you love, think about the rest, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.